have the meeting with them, and it was, we love your portfolio. Half an hour later, I got the job proposal. It was fast. Well, my name is Bibiloni. I'm from Argentina. I'm a traditional and digital artist, former and current art heroes student. I did my I think it's bachelor, I don't know, the university here in Argentina on fine arts, specialized in drawing. I started to work for the university doing the 3D art for the video games, but there were video games with really low budget, really bad paid. Well, after that, I was doing 2D animation, color, and some drawing. I learned about ZBrush. I think the first year in pandemics, I was like, I have to really learn ZBrush. And then I started scrapping tutorials, but it was a nightmare following all different workflows that in one of my attempts to learn, I got subscribed to the Art Heroes. I saw the Monster Challenge. It was like the thing I needed. I didn't knew all the tricks from the program. ZBrush Fundamental from Alfredo, I started to understand the program. The Stylized program was easy to follow because once you know the program, the steps are all in there. That year, my goal was to learn ZBrush. Being in Art Heroes as a student opened like the world doors. My goal for that year was to get an international job. When I finished my character, I think I worked in my former job like 1 or 2 months more, and I quit. When I finished Grisha, I was okay. I have to have a few more stylized characters. I have like 3 stylized characters. I used to have an Excel where, I don't know, a magical guy from the internet compilates or put all the jobs in there. It was like 2 rough months, sending emails almost every day, trying to add pieces for my portfolio. I was at LinkedIn adding people like a madman every night, and I got contact in LinkedIn a few times. I have the meeting with them, and it was, we love your portfolio. It's amazing. Half an hour later, I got the job proposal. It was fast.